Okay, so let's take a look at how to install and configure the events calendar. So as you can see, events calendar is listed in WordPress for free, so we can use it. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then click on plugins, then click on add new. You can download the zip file, or you can directly use your WordPress repository to search for the events calendar. Make sure to check the owner of this plugin, which is Modern Tribe, and only that needs to be installed. Okay, now what we can do is we click on activate button. Okay, so next you will see message something like this. Simply skip it. They want to collect data for their stats, so you don't have to allow and continue that. Okay, so simply skip and wait for the configuration page. Okay, here you see the list of things that you can configure. Okay, currently license is only applicable if you have pro version purchase, so you can ignore that. There is API import and upgrade. You can ignore that for now. Simply click on display, and here you can configure options related to display. Okay, so what we'll do is we will simply first go into event add-ons, and I will show you what are the add-ons that you have available. So these are the list of add-ons that you can purchase and include with your pro version. Okay, next what we will do is we will include events into our menu so that it will have some entry in our menu. So for now, let me remove this and just choose this for now. Then currently I don't have any events page, so I will just currently save this menu and move to. Okay, so here is the events that we have in sidebar. Click on add new event. Okay, once we create one event, we can include it in our menu. So let's see, event is about YouTube promotion, and in AdSense. Okay, this is sample event created for AdWords. Sorry, so this should be AdWords. Click publish. Okay, and what we'll do is we will now view our event, and we can also include our event in, where is the appearance? Okay, so appearance menus. Okay, now here you see you have specific event listed like this. Okay, and you can click on all events to go to events page. Now here let's check for events page. Considering it is not appearing, we can manually add this page into our menu. So custom links, we can add events and then copy and paste this, add to menu. Okay, so let's put it up and save the menu. As you can see, currently it has this listing of available events. You can change that display through events, and then you can click on this events main page. Okay, here you see list of events that you can quickly edit. Also you have your settings here, then other options like, let's see, venue, organizers, tags. Okay, apart from that, you can also check welcome page and update page. Okay, so get the idea how to install events calendar in WordPress.